How to generate barcode in Zoho Inventory. In this video, I'll show you how to generate barcode in Zoho Inventory. So to get started, go ahead and open Zoho Inventory and then go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right. Under that, go ahead and look for PDF templates. You'll find that under the customization section. So go ahead and click on that, and then inside that, go ahead and select item barcode. So go ahead and look for item barcodes, click on it, and then click enable. So this will allow you to activate barcode and QR code generation for your Zoho inventory. So you'll find the templates that you have for the barcode and QR code that you can generate in here, so you can also edit it further, and that is how you can basically generate barcode in Zoho inventory. So all of the items added to your Zoho inventory will now have a barcode version, given that you have enabled this, and that is how you can generate barcode in Zoho inventory. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.